Eh, Sanibona, ngiphinde nginibingelele futhi kwi-YouTube channel, kwi-YouTube channel. Ngingathandi-ke kakhulu ukusebenzisa igama elithi yami noma into yami, ngoba lelo gama lelo liphuca omunye umuntu i-opportunity yokufila wanted, yokufila part of leyo nto leyo, yokufila accepted and valued and welcomed in a way. Once wathi ifoni yami noma kungathiwa umuntu ubethe ucela usizo kuwena ekuthemba ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi umsize. Once wafaka uyami, lo muntu usuke usumkhiphile lapho, usuke nje usumkhubaze umoya. Bahlezi-ke abantu besho-ke indlu yami, imoto yami, intombi yami, zonke-ke izinto-ke abantu abathi eyami, eyami, eyami. Izinto vele ey'suke ziyi-material isikhathi esiningi, and izinto isikhathi esiningi ezingalasti-ke, ezine-due date. So, angiyena nami umuntu othanda ukuthi kwi-YouTube channel yami, because I feel like eyawo wonke umuntu okathatha isikhathi sakhe nedatha lakhe alokhu nje ahlale phansi ayibuke. Ngiyabona uma ngi-upload-e ngevidiyo ukuthi bakhona abantu ababukayo. Ngibhilivela ekutheni-ke noma kungabuka abantu abawu-4, labo bantu ababukayo abawu-4 ingoba vele i-message isuke i-directed kubona. So, angikhali noma bengawu-30 ingoba vele lowo 30 loyo kusuke kuwuwona okumele uyizwe into. U-YouTube-ke mkhulu-ke, ziningi izinto ezikwi-YouTube, maningi ama-platforms akhona. So, the fact yokuthi wena you came across i-platform le engenza kuyona lama vidiyo lawa cishe ngathi eyami futhi, le engenza kuyona lawa vidiyo lawa, kusho ukuthi ingoba vele kumele le nto engiyikhulumayo uhlangabezane nayo. So, ngingajabula-ke abantu uma benga-comment-a futhi basho ama-views abo. Si-engage nje, because nami uma ngikhuluma lana ngisuke hoping ukuthi ngikhuluma nomuntu othile. So, ngingajabula abantu uma be-engage-a futhi abanye abantu abafili comfortable ngase-engage-eni, but bafila comfortable ekulaleleni. Ngisholo nje lokho ukubonga nje kakhulu ukuthi hhayi, ngiyabonga ukuthi bakhona abantu abathola i-interest kuwo lama vidiyo engisuke ngiwaphosta. So, lama vidiyo engisuke ngiwa-upload-a, inhloso yami njengoba ngihlezi ngichaza, akukona ukuthagetha abantu abathile, akukona ukuthi ngifuna abantu bangizwele, akukona ukuthi ngifuna abantu bangidabukele, akukona ukuthi ngifuna uku-trend-a, akukona ukuthi ngifunani, but ukushera ama-experiences ami njengoba ngangiqale nje ukuqala ividiyo ngathi u-33 years esengiwuphilile, ama-experiences ami. Why? Ngangumuntu oyehlezi ethi ngiyafisa ngokubhala incwadi, I did try ukubhala incwadi. I think I was in grade 11. Ngathatha nje ikhompyutha yomuntu ukuze nasekhaya, I started typing, ngathayipha. I think ngawubhala ulokhu nje u-35 pages, I think. But-ke ngingazi noma masuyisa kukhompyutha phela usuzoyifaka in an actual book ukuthi izobe ilo 35 pages yini, or else it can be less than lokho, mhlampe kube 11 pages. So, ngangihlezi ngifisa ukushera. Bakhona abantu engike ngihlale nabo and then ngishare. Bakhona ababuya kumina bethi yazi le nto oyishilo ingithintile, because usually ngibhekana nento ethile nami or a similar thing. So, how can I maneuver around it? So, ngumuntu othandayo ukushera, nami-ke bakhona abantu engike ngihlale ngibabuke, ngibalalele, engingasho ukuthi ngifunda kubona. Njengoba ngishilo nje ukuthi ubaba uAyanda Msweli, ngiyambuka alipheli usuku ngingayibukanga i-channel yakhe, because kuningi umuntu akufundayo, even though ingiphatha kabi, because izinto ey'ningi kakhulu ezivelayo kakhulu ezihlukumeza abantu abamnyama bakithi ilokhu nje i-rape. Into engiphatha kabuhlungu kakhulu ile ye-rape, 'cause udila nama-cases amaningi e-rape ey'ngane ezino-5 years, ezino-2 years. Ingiphatha kabuhlungu leyo and lezi zinto kakhulu zenzeka emakhaya. Angisho ukuthi emalokishini azenzeki, but kakhulukazi emakhaya uthola ukuthi kwisigodi esithile khona umuntu obhizi u-rape iy'ngane, mese abantu besifazane bathini, hhayi imfihlo le asiyifihleni. Uthola ukuthi mina, example mina mhlampe nginengane no-cousin wami, ikhule ingane la, leyo ngane ingenzelwa I_D, ingayi ngisho esikoleni. Baxake abantu ukuthi yini ndaba la ingane ingayi elokhunja esikoleni, ingalungelwa yilutho ingane yona yodwa ingenzelwa umsebenzi, ingafakwa isiphandla. Ngobani? Ngoba i-example le engiyenzayo, ngoba mhlampe mina ngalala no-cousin wami wamitha, yafihlwa indaba egcekeni kwathiwa hhayi ayifihlwa indaba, yakhula ingane isiyalimala-ke lapho-ke. So you find ukuthi ama-issues akhona emakhaya ilawo ukuthi abafazi khona ngempela bafa nje bazi ngempela, bayayigodla kakhulu izinto, but once wayigodla into usuke usuyi-perpetrator leyo behaviour leyo, cause umuntu uzokwenza alale no-cousin wakhe bese nithi nina hhayi ihlazo kufanele omakhelwane bayazi leyo nto leyo, bese niyamsheltharisha lo muntu owenza into e-wrong, bese ubona lo muntu owenza into e-wrong ukuthi okay kushuthi le nto i-normal, ngisangaphinde ngiyenze futhi, aphinde futhi umuntu ayenze and akuyona bandla into enhle, angifuni ukunqamanga, akuyona into enhle. So ezinye izinto engike ngiy'bone kule channel yaBaba Msweli ezingiphatha kabi kakhulu, zonke zingiphatha kabi, angifuni ukunqamanga, zonke zingiphatha kabi, but ezingiphatha kabi kakhulu ile nto ye-rape, ile nto ye-rape because i-rape isa-prevalent within the black communities, especially within the rural areas, isagcwele ngale ndlela. And ithina futhi esibuye sidinwe futhi whenever abantu abesifazane bezofaka ophephula kuma-profile abo, bahambe baye emapaki beyohlala phansi bethi no to i-G_B_V, bese thina singa-understand ukuthi hhayi bo, but nje i-G_B_V asiyenzi thina, kanti we are forgetting ukuthi it is done kakhulu emakhaya, whereby abantu besifazane abana-voice, iy'ngane azina-voice. Ngiyafisa nje bandla ngelinye ilanga ukuthi kube yinto ekudilwa nayo leyo, and kudingeka ilokhunja, kudingeka abantu abazohamba baye kuma-rural areas beyolokhunja, beyo-inform-a, beyo-educate-a abantu besifazane khona ukuthi it's important ukulokhunja, ukukhuluma ngale zinto lezi, it's very important. So bengithi nje angiqale ngalokho, eyanamhlanje i-topic ngeke ize ibe yinde kakhulu, bengifisa ukukhuluma nge-Hammarsdale engikhulele kuyona, nge-Hammarsdale, khuluma nge-Hammarsdale, nge-politics, nge-apartheid, ila ma-topic awu-3, Hammarsdale, politics and apartheid. So ngizolokhunja, ngizowamiksa wonke into one. As umuntu okhulele e-Hammarsdale, njengoba ngihlezi ngisho ngithi kuma-previous videos zami ukuthi umuntu bebona abantu befile, kade ku-normal ukuthi umuntu ashawe umphakathi, kade ku-normal zonke lezo zinto lezo. But ngithe ngikhula, I'm not sure ukuthi I was in varsity in doing a sociology assignment. I think I was doing a sociology assignment. Ngakhetha i-topic yokubhala ngendawo engikhule kuyona. I think it was first year ngenza i-sociology ngendawo engilokhunja engikhulele kuyena. So I just went online and then I did my research about Hammarsdale. I did my research. Umuntu engahlala naye oqala engakhuluma naye, but even though wengazi yena ukuthi ngiyibuzela le nto based on isikole, khona ubhuti kuthiwa uKhatha walapha ngasekhaya. I once had a conversation noKhatha, I'm not sure ukuthi usakhumbula, and I doubt ukuthi usakhumbula. I once had a conversation noKhatha about i-Hammarsdale, ukuthi ukhule kanjani because mdala kunami. Kuma-conversations esasiba nawo, ngabona a different side from engilaziyo lase-Hammarsdale, and for me seeing a different side, ngaphinde ngabona umsuka we-environment i-Hammarsdale esikhule under yona, i-Hammarsdale environment, i-Hammarsdale the place, environment esikhule under yona, nane-environment esimolde i-Hammarsdale to what it is manje, or to what it was before ngisahlala khona mina. So I won't say izinto seyishintshile kakhulu because ngisezwe ukuthi kusaqhuma ibhamu, usibanibani esasifunda naye, usedutshule usibanibani esasifunda naye, uyena osenza ukuthi, uyena oseganga kanje 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 kanje. So akakashintshi kakhulu. So while having leyo conversation leyo nolokhunja uKhatha, uKhatha ubhuti kumina, into engayifunda kuyena ukuthi uku-understand ukuthi i-course engangiyenza yase-DUT yayithi we do not say ingane is sick because umuntu ubefuna ingane, but the environment is sick, eyenza ukuthi ingane igcine isigula nayo by sick. Ngisho ukuthi if ever ingane izokhula in an abusive home, ubaba eshaya uma, and then later leyo ngane leyo isizo-exhibitha lawo ma-traits lawo, we do not say ukuthi ingane is the problem, but we say ilokhunja, the environment ingane grew up under is the problem. So one of ilokhunja, one of our mandate or ilokhunja, i-core of i-course umuntu ayefunda ukuthi siyidile ne-environment kuqala, sifixe the environment, because once we fix the environment sesiyazi ukuthi okay, vele ingane izokhula kwi-environment right. Ngiyazi-ke bengishilo kwi-previous video yami ukuthi ngizolokhunja, ngizoqhubeka umuntu eseqala e-DUT esefunda, ngisazoyilokhunja, ngisazoqhubeka lapho. So silokhunja sibheke i-environment kakhulu, asisho ukuthi ingane iyagula, but we say environment iyagula which causes ingane ukuthi igule. So iyona into engayibona kuma-conversations ami lawa seyinokhatha senawo, and then I realized ukuthi i-environment yaseHammersdale iyagula vele, it's toxic basically. So njengoba i-toxic, nawe uma uhlala khona vele you are bound to be toxic, hence you find ukuthi abantu bayadubulana and stuff nani, but it's because of the environment. And it's because of the environment kanjani mesiba nale conversation sinokhatha, I did find ukuthi ubandlululo was prevalent eHammersdale. It was very prevalent and it was very alive. It was very alive. But inkinga lalu alive, not ukuthi kwakuyi-war between or kwakuwudlame between abelungu nabantu abamnyama, but it was a black on black. It was a black on black lokhunja udlame or violence. Kanjani-ke eHammersdale khona indawo namanje kusathiwa ise-4 enkandla, ekuthiwa ise-4 enkandla till today. Njengoba ngimngaka mina, it's very rare to get i-taxi isuke 6 iye 4 direct. It's very rare, and it's also very rare ukuthola i-taxi ezosuke 4 ize 6 direct. It's either moya 4 na uzogibela 6 wehle ngase-library, uxhuma kwase-3 uhambe uye 4. The same goes for ukuye 6. It's either usuke 4 uya kaMcoyi noma uzoyehla ngase-library uxhume ye-6. So it's very rare. Mengihlala ngiba naleyo conversation nokhatha, izinto esengiyi-realize-ayo lezi, I did get ukuthi okay, eHammersdale there was a large portion of Inkatha Freedom Party. There was a large portion of Inkatha, and also there was a large portion of i-African National Congress, i-ANC. So into eyenzeka labantu laba they ended up vele, I think ngabo 1993 kanje, 1994, I'm not sure, kwagcina sekulwa abantu abamnyama, sekulwa i-ANC neNkatha, because if ever you follow history you find ukuthi kunabantu akuthiwa ama-ZPs. I think amaphoyisa, they were part of ilokhunja Inkatha. So babelwa labantu, babebulalana, kwakuchithekile ilokhunja igazi all over eHammersdale, kungafunani nje, i-ANC ngala, Inkatha ngalana. So if ever you stayed in a house whereby yayihlukanisa i-ANC, yayihlukanisa Inkatha, isikhathi esiningi wawuba caught in between ekutheni okay, ngingena kiphi la, yabo, because useduze kwe-ANC la. Uma uyiNkatha kusho ukuthi vele ususenkingeni vele, and also useduze kweNkatha la, if ever uyi-ANC kusho ukuthi usenkingeni. So kunama-families a-experience into ekanjalo ngasekhaya. So angichazela uKhatha lokho, abuye angitshela ukuthi there was a point in time whereby they were moved to somewhere ngaseNtshongweni. Khona eNtshongweni, Monyuka ngaseNtshongweni, kune-Valley of Thousand Hills lapho, kusaya eNtshongweni yonke le. Uthi bamuva baye endaweni engathi yayise-hall lapho, kwathiwa bahlale khona because babeyingane, belinde kuze kuphele udlame. Bahlala lapho-ke balinda kuze kuphele udlame. So even though, because the conversation saba nayo kudala, I think it was 2014, I was doing first year, even though ngasanawo khona ama-details a-specific ngale ndlela, But into engayithola laphana uthi okay, iHammersdale was the last township eya-affectwa ubandlululo. It was the last one. Iyona lokishi lokugcina iSouth Africa yonke eya-affectwa ubandlululo, and bese ya-affectwa ilento yeNkatha neLokhunja ne-ANC. iHammersdale-ke is divided ngendlela enhle, ngingasho njalo. You have ilokishi, and then you have, not far from, you have oMophela, you have oNjobokazi, you have oMdilova, you have oNtshanga, not far from iLokhunja, not far from eHammersdale, you have oHlanzeni, and most of abantu abahlala eHammersdale, they deviated from, or basuka koHlanzeni, basuka koNtshanga bezohlala eHammersdale. Abanye babo basuka koNjobokazi, basuka eNtshongweni, basuka koMdilova. Lawo bantu from koNjobokazi koNtshongeni kufika like those Lokhunja, yabona, those Zulu people strong abasemakhaya, like kusuka labo bantu abasemakhaya labo, and a large portion of them babeyinkathi. Even nabanye ababesuka eLokhunja, abanye babo babesuka eHlanzeni, bakhona babeyinkathi futhi, but abanye babo base bebalekele inkatha bazohlala eHammersdale, only to find ukuthi inkathi izobafica khona. So you find ukuthi kulezo zindawo lezi zasemakhaya, you find ukuthi abantu abeqhamuka koNjobokazi, beqhamuka koHlanzeni, koNtshanga, kwakuyilawo bantu laba babeyinkathi kakhulu, unlike abaseHammersdale, most yabo babe-ANC. So ila kwahlangana khona yonke into-ke, kwane mixed match, and then they started killing each other. Killing each other. Ngine-belief-ke mina yokuthi iHammersdale ayizange igezwe. So-ke omunye umuntu usengabuza ukuthi how do you geza the whole township? Uligeza kanjani Lokhunja ilokishi? oMlazi abagezwanga, oMasha abagezanga, oNandi abagezwanga nani. If ever we're gonna believe kwi-culture and singazenzi ezinye izinto eze-culture, leyo nto igcina isiLokhunja isiyenza amalokishi ethu, sekuqhamuka abafana abancane, sekuthiwa kuyadudulana, bese kuchitheka igazi lapha nalapha. So I am saying all this to say ukuthi mawukhula njengami nje from eHammersdale, you do your own research, you speak with abantu abahlukile, you find ukuthi okay, i-politics in a way contributed ekutheni leya ndawo ibe kanjeyana. iHammersdale is a nice place. iHammersdale ngiyikhulele khona. iHammersdale is a nice place, umuntu ukhulele khona, but in hindsight kwakungafanele ukukhohlwa ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini nanoma engasiphi isikhathi. Into nje umuntu emqondweni ayehleze nayo lena, into umuntu ayehleze nayo le, because for me ukukhonjwa ngesibhamu nje nganginolokhunja, ngangimncane. I think I was in primary, ngimncane, ngiphuma khona omunye umfana womngane wami uSivalo, ngiphuma kaSivalo ukuyodlala i-PlayStation, ngakhonjwa ngesibhamu. I think I was in primary, ngikhonjwa ngesibhamu, ngiqala ngqa ukukhonjwa ngesibhamu. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi lezi zinto they became a norm, kwahamba za-normal, and then later you realize ukuthi yibo ngilimele la psychologically, emotionally. So iHammersdale, we were affected ngale ndlela by iLokhunja, ubandlululo. We were affected ngale ndlela, and kusanama-stains futhi alokho, njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngisakhona mina kwaku-rare ukuthola i-tax esuke 4 iye 6, uthole esuke 6 iye 4. Kwaku-rare because if ever uzowabuka ama-dynamics akhona manje, you find ukuthi okay, i-6 was dominated by ANC, i-4 is even today is still called iLokhunja Nkandla. And leyo nto futhi it also plays a role even kubantu abakhula khona, because kunama instances whereby uthola ukuthi uzoba se-1 South, bakubuze abantu bathi ufunani lapha e-1, wazibani e-1, e-1 akukho safe, yabo. Nabanye abantu they always tell you ukuthi once wafika e-6 ungayini wakhona, yabo, akukho safe for wena, yabo. So ziningi izinto which should have been done or could have been done or can be done to help abantu abaseHammersdale baLokhunja impilo yabo ibe ngcono. Ziningi izinto ezingenziwa, ziningi izinto ezingenziwa, because ubandlululo lashiya nje i-stain esingasoze sasuka khona, esingasoze. Ngiyakhumbula ngiba ne-conversation nomkhulu wami uRogers, ubaba Zo Thelezi. Ngikhumbula ngangikhuluma nomkhulu, ngangisemncane, even though phela umuntu enganaki, because umkhulu, yabo, uma kuzophela ugesi kushaya umoya, umkhulu wayesixoxelile khunje itori umkhulu. May his soul rest in peace. Besixoxela itori umkhulu esomkhulu, hey, kusanobandlululo la kwangena babefuna ukuthatha iy'ngane zabafana nganoma babefuna ukuy'yisa ukuy'fundisa yini ko-exile noma babefuna ukuy'yisa kibe yabo ukuthi umkhulu babegqokiswa ilokhunja iy'ngubo zabantu besifazane bangene behlala ebhedini noma bacashe ema-wardrobe because kuthiwa kuvele kufike umuntu nje randomly ezofuna ukuthi ingane yomfana ikhona yini la iyathathwa iyahamba mhlawumbe iyojoyina inkatha noma iyojoyina i-ANC by force yabo. So uthi umkhulu ezinye izinto bona babedila nazo lezo ngaleza y'khathi. Nakhona umkhulu wayekhuluma i-Afrikaans, umkhulu was good ngikhulumeni i-Afrikaans, umkhulu was perfect to Afrikaans, but umkhulu i-Afrikaans wayekhuluma mase seshayile kancane inkambi kaFaro, and wayevele ayekhuluma engathi khona umuntu omthethisayo umkhulu yabo, akhulume ngathi mhlawumbe khona ibhunu elimile elimthethisayo yabo. Indlela ayekhuluma ngayo ekhuluma wayeqala ekhuluma along the way mhlawumbe after 20 minutes kanje ekhuluma kwakuvele kungena i-rage, kungena i-anger ekuyikhulumeni kwakhe, kungena i-anger and umkhulu ubekhuluma kanjena, ubebehave kanjena whenever elokhunja ethintile, ubekhuluma kanjena whenever ethintile, and kwakona lokho back then umuntu enganakile ukuthi okay, these were the after stains of ilokhunja ubandlululo, these were the after stains of ibandlululo, and basakhona abantu basemastedi abawitnessa yonke leyo nto leyo, basakhona abantu abawitnessa leyo nto, like they exist and live amongst us, amongst us, and abekho right. Kuningi engikholele ekutheni kugcina sekucontribute sesekuba ngathi amasteli indawo yokubulawana kuyona njalo yabo. It's because of ilokhunja i-history yendawo, njengoba ngisho nje ilokhunja abantu basemasteli they are not sick, but the environment we grew up under is making us sick. Ngizoyibala la lapho because ngikholele khona amasteli nami. So bengithi nje angilokhunja angidlulise lokho, abantu indawo yangakithi bengayibuki as indawo embi, ngoba bahlezi besho abantu ukuthi hey, amasteli kuney'gebengu, amasteli kunokuthi, without understanding ukuthi okay, lezo y'gebengu ey'khona labo bantu enithi benze izinto ey'wrong nani, kusukaphi konke lokho, because abantu abaphilayo, abantu abe-right, but ama-circumstances along the way ayabaphoqa ekutheni bagcine sebe-retaliate ngendlela ethile. Not ukuthi ngikhulumela abantu abazwisa abanye abantu ubuhlungu, but inkinga nje kungayi-environment, kungayi-environment, because mekuthiwa iHammersdale ilona lokishi lokugcina ela-affectwa ubandlululo, because iHammersdale phela ilokishi elisha kwalona nje ilokhunja elisha. So uyabona ukuthi mhlawumbe after 95 kanje kusakhona lokubulalana kwenkatha ne-ANC lapho, mningi imindeni eyasala phansi, mningi imindeni eyadlulelwa abantu basemakhaya, imizimba yangatholakala bangakwazi ukubangcwaba yabo, ngoba phela ngesintu umuntu uyalandwa, ngithi uyalanda umuntu, so wangeke ulande wonke umuntu ngobandlululo because waye baningi abantu ababefa in numbers, ingakho for mina ngivele ngibe skeptical kakhulu when it comes to i-politics, because ngiyayisaba nje kakhulu, because of the damage eyayenza ngasekhaya, and lezi ndawo-ke eza-affecteka kakhulu by ubandlululo, you find ukuthi azinakwa kakhulu, but daily you are being told ngoVilakazi Street eSoweto, kuthiwa Soweto Vilakazi Street, Sharpeville, engazuthi mhlawumbe iseSoweto kuphela la kwaba khona nobandlululo yabo, engazuthi mhlawumbe iNanda ayidingi ilokhunja, ayidingi uclean, ayidingi ukuthi u-government ayi-support-e kangcono, because one of the founders abe-ANC oLanga Libalela abaseNanda, but uthi uma ufika eNanda infrastructure yakhona ayikho right, imigaqo yakhona kugcwele amanzi, emgaqweni you are being told ukuthi ilokhunja i-alcohol consumption yakhona is high, ilokhunja i-HIV rate is high khona yabo, but mohleli kuvele kuthiwa Vilakazi Street, whilst ama-founders elokhunja i-ANC awaseNanda. amanyawo aseNanda like akuyenzi sense ukuthi indaba kuzovele kukhethwe iSoweto kuphela kuqhakambiswe yona yodwa, yabo. But-ke angena-ke umuntu welokhunja, angena umuntu wepolitiki, angena umuntu wepolitiki. Kade ngitshela omunye ngikhuluma naye ngithi sibuke ibhola ePirates. Mina niyazi ukuthi i-founder yePirates ulokhunja uMagebhula waseYamasteli. Ngingatshelwa abantu. Then they were like, hayi unamanga, nayithanda le Yamasteli yini. I'm like, waseYamasteli. So, but kuningi okuhle futhi, ngizama uku-highlight-a lokho, kuningi okuhle okwalokhunja okwaphuma eHamasteli, kuningi okuhle. Yabona nje ukuthi uzosuka la ahambe ayofoma i-team laphana eSoweto, i-Orlando Pirates, ebe esuka elokhunja eGeorge Dale eyofola yaMasteli. So kuningi okuhle okwaphuma naseYamasteli, even though kuyindawo engekho right, especially esine-stigma esiningi, but it's because of ubandlululo lona. Sazocela-ke futhi abantu baphinde ba-like, ba-subscribe, bashare. Bengithi nje angilokho nje, angidlulise lokho. Ike yangithinta kakhulu le topic ngoba khona into ekade ngiyibuka kukhulunywa ngeHamasteli, ibalwa under iy'ndawo ezagcina uku-affect-wa ubandlululo. Ngabuye ngakhumbula ukuthi I once did lokhunja i-topic or i-research ngeHamasteli back ngisawumfundi wasenyuvesi yaseThekwini, i-technology yase-DUT. So bengithi nje angidlulise lokho-ke, niphinde futhi ni-subscribe, ni-like, ni-share. Ngiyabonga.